Let me introduce you to the Groen SmartSteam Pro Connectionless Steamer, a powerful, efficient solution for any high-volume kitchen. This connectionless steamer saves water, energy, and maintenance costs. There's no boiler and no water or drain lines required. No traditional deliming, just reliable, eco-friendly performance. With Energy Star certification, it uses less energy than conventional steamers and may qualify for local rebates. The side-mounted convection fan ensures fast, even cooking, while the intuitive screen allows you to easily set programmable pan timers, and a hands-free door latch helps tremendously in a busy kitchen. It also features a low-temp cook mode for delicate items and doubles as an NSF-approved holding cabinet. Available in 3-pan and 5-pan sizes, in countertop, stacked, or stand-mounted formats. It's perfect for anywhere a powerful steamer is needed. The SmartSteam Pro Connectionless, it's the smarter way to steam.